Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make a cookie. So here's what we need. We need a clay that has similar color to a cookie. Then we also need a dark brown cookie for the chocolate. Then we need a chalk or chalk pastel and a paintbrush. We also be needing our dotting tool, or we can also use a toothpick. So let's start making cookies. First, you get a small clay, roll it, then flatten it. It doesn't have to be so equal because we're going to make a texture on it by making a dot on the side, in the middle, so it will look like a real cookie. As you can see what I'm doing, I'm making a dot on the clay. Doesn't necessarily mean that it must be equal size. So here it is. It's not yet done. So this is what it will look like. Then what we do next is get the chalk pastel or your colored chalk. It must be color brown. Then your paintbrush. Add texture to your clay so it will look like a cookie, a brown cookie. There. Look. If you're making a miniature foods, I could say that chalk pastels or colored chalk is important because this is used to make your foods realistic. So you need to buy one. Then here, it's already brown. We need to add more on it so it will look really realistic, like a real cookie. Here, it's already brown. Okay, we need now the chocolate brown clay. This clay is so soft, so we will use a powder. Put it on the clay so that it will not be too sticky. There. Powder is also important if you're making your polymer clay creations, because sometimes clay is so soft and so sticky in your hands, so it's so difficult to form. So here's the clay. It's already not sticky, but yet it's soft. So here's our cookie. All we need to do is get a pinch, just a small pinch of chocolate brown clay. Put it at the top. Pinch it on the edge. So it will look like this. The more chocolate chips you add will be much better, so it will look like more yummy. There. can also add cookies on the side of the biscuit. Add some chocolate chip. Whoops. So this is how it will look like. What we're going to do next is to make sure that the chocolate chips are secured on its place. We will be needing this again, a very essential tool, dotting tool. You may also use toothpick if you don't have. Then just make a dot on the side, just to make sure that they are secured in place. There. Because if you don't do this, chances are these chocolate chips will be removed after baked. So make sure you secure it in place. There, look. It's not secured. So it will look like this. You can also add more texture to it so it will look like real, using the dotting tool, of course. Then just dot on it. Put some dot on the sides. That's what I've said. It doesn't matter if the sides are not equal or not equal size, because so that it will look like realistic. So here's our cookie. It's here. Thank you for watching, guys, and subscribe to my channel to be updated on the next tutorial.